Introduction to Kollihills. Start with a brief overview of Kollihills, including its location, elevation, and why it's a popular tourist destination. The best time to visit Kollihills. Discuss the ideal seasons and months to visit Kollihills, considering weather conditions and the best experiences during each season. How to reach Kollihills. Provide information on transportation options, including road routes and nearest airports or railway stations. Places to visit in Kollihills. Arpaleswarar Temple. Explore the famous Shiva temple and its architectural significance. Agya Gangai Waterfalls. Describe the beauty and accessibility of this stunning waterfall. Siddhar Caves. Share insights into the historical and spiritual significance of these caves. Botanical Gardens. Talk about the unique flora and fauna found in the Kollihills region. Trekking in Kollihills. Detail the trekking trails available, their difficulty levels, and the breathtaking views trekkers can expect. Culinary Delights. Discuss the local cuisine of Kollihills, highlighting any unique dishes or flavors that visitors should try. Culture and Traditions. Explore the cultural heritage of the Kollihills region, including any festivals or rituals celebrated by the local communities. Accommodation options. Provide a list of hotels, resorts, and homestays in Kollihills, along with their features and pricing. Wildlife and bird watching. Talk about the wildlife diversity in the area, including any rare or endemic species that can be spotted. Photography spots. Share some of the best photography locations in Kollihills, along with tips for capturing the essence of the place. Local handicrafts and souvenirs. Highlight any unique handicrafts or souvenirs that visitors can buy to remember their trip. Safety tips and precautions. Offer advice on staying safe while exploring Kollihills, especially during treks and outdoor activities. Nearby attractions. Mention any nearby places of interest, such as Yercaud or Salem, that visitors can also explore. Personal experience. Share your personal experience visiting Kollihills, including any memorable moments or encounters. Travel tips and itinerary. Provide a sample itinerary for a short trip to Kollihills, including suggested activities and timings.